In this video, I'll show you how to add a page border in Google Docs. The first thing to know is that Google Docs does not currently have a built-in page border button like some other word processors. Google's support community and official docs help point users to workarounds instead, and the most common method is using a single cell table stretched close to the page edges. Google's official table and drawing tools support this approach, even though there is no dedicated page border feature. So here's the easiest method. Open your Google Doc on a computer and place your cursor where you want the border to appear. Then go to Insert, choose Table, and create a 1x1 table. That gives you one large box that you can use as a border frame. After that, click and drag the table edges so the box stretches close to the top, bottom, left, and right margins of the page. Google's table help confirms that tables can be resized and their border style can be changed. Now let's make it look like a real page border. Click inside the table, then use the table border controls in the toolbar to change the border color, border width, and border style. For example, you can make it black and slightly thicker for a formal border, or choose a softer color for a decorative look. Google says Docs lets you style table borders directly from the toolbar or through table options. Once the border looks right, click inside the table and type your document content there. Since the border is really a one-cell table, all of your text will sit inside that bordered area. This is the most practical built-in workaround Google users are pointed to when they want a border around the whole page. There is also another option if you want something more decorative. Google Docs lets you insert a drawing, then add a rectangle shape and style that shape as a border. To do that, go to Insert, then Drawing, then New, add a shape, and format its outline. Google's official drawing help confirms that you can insert and edit shapes, lines, and text in drawings. But in practice, the drawing method can be a little harder to line up perfectly on the page than the table method. One more important thing to remember is that page style layouts work best when your document is in Pages format, not Pageless. Google's Page Setup help says you can switch this from File, then Page Setup, and choose Pages if needed. So the full process is simple. Insert a 1x1 table, stretch it to fit the page, adjust the border style, and then type your content inside it. That is the easiest way to create a page border in Google Docs today. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.